So we see a couple of really large challenges with edge computing becoming a reality, becoming a mainstream platform for applications and services. First one being the complexity of building large-scale distributed systems. The edge is defined by distribution of data, distribution of application logic, and the ability to connect users, consumers of these services in real time. We've built a platform that takes a very data-centric view of this. We believe that data is the engine that drives value. And unless the edge can cope with dealing with stateful data by providing sophisticated interfaces that allow you to program the data, query the data, and extract value from the data, the edge gets restricted to some very, very simplistic use cases. So at Macrometa, we've built a serverless edge cloud that includes 3 sets of capabilities. It starts with a very sophisticated data platform that exposes a globally distributed database. Our database can connect thousands of locations into one seamless data fabric and allow you to store, process, query, and extract value from the data in milliseconds. On top of that is a layer of messaging and stream data processing, because we think that the edge is defined by data types that are very event-driven. And you need to have frameworks that allow you to deal with application logic and data as flows and reactive to events that are happening in the real world. So our second layer of capability really deals with how do you program the edge in a way that allows you to be reactive to what's happening in the real world, where events in the real world can trigger application functionality and services as reactions to that. And the third piece of this is really flattening the complexity of building applications. It should not take a PhD in distributed systems to be able to build these sorts of applications. So our focus has been on exposing this entire infrastructure that we've built, that today runs on about 25 global regions, into one seamless platform that can be accessed via APIs, via client drivers, etc. But more importantly, that can be programmed using conventional programming techniques, languages, and runtimes.